Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fatima Bukhari और आज के इस वीडियो में मैं एक रिव्यू कर रही हूँ of the Carli Bybel palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am so excited about this. I have been meaning to get this palette for so long और ये बड़ी obviously because I'm in Pakistan, तो पाकिस्तान में products आपके when you order it from different places तो वो काफ़ी देर से आते हैं, obviously because we don't actually have outlets here, or we don't even have Sephora in Pakistan. Why don't we? But we don't, just give it to say it takes a really long time for products to arrive in Pakistan. So without further ado, I am going to be reviewing this palette. Isse maine, as you can already see, दो different looks create की थी. I didn't do this for like a sort of like a creative look or anything. It's just for you guys to know कि कैसे मैंने I wanted to give you a variety कि मतलब सिर्फ एक ही अगर मैं look कर देती तो इतना मज़ा नहीं आना था. So I thought why not go ahead and do two different looks. So let's see कि ये कैसे इसने play किया है onto my lids. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to dive right into the palette and just look at this palette. This is so gorgeous. Literally ऐसे लगता है कि इसके ऊपर जो stones हैं, it's like, you know, and it's not stones, this is just packaging. और ऐसे लगता है जैसे individually glue on है. It's so pretty. I love the packaging. So this is what it looks like on the inside. इतनी ये ज़बरदस्त और खूबसूरत palette है. So I'm going to be swatching some of the shades for you guys. I'm going to be swatching the top row first. So this is what it looks like. This is the shade called Boli. This one is Boli, this one is Bible, this one is Mandala. And then we have Libra. Whoa, this is so pretty. I'm just doing one swipe, and this is called Jode. Wow. Then we have OA, which is this is like a glitter plus shimmer. This is like an interesting formula. Oh my god. Do you see that? That is so pretty. That is so pretty. I have the shade called Boy. God, इसके mattes भी जो है ना, they're insanely pigmented. First 7 shades, this is what it looks like. You're gonna go to the top row. This is what it looks like. This is super pigmented and super beautiful. इसके अलावा we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do the bottom row जिसमें पहला shade जो है that is Bear, and this is what it looks like. This is a matte, and the mattes are just like super buttery. I mean, I don't even know what to say. Next is the shade called Moo. Oh my god, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. Here we have the shade called Chai. Literally हमारी जो चाय होती है वो वाला शेड का नाम रखा है इन्होंने, and wow. That is super pigmented. And you know what? I don't even need to wipe my fingers, they come out clean. That is the most beautiful thing about this. Next is Cindy. See, it comes out clean. That is probably the best thing about this. Next we have Stev, or whatever you want to call it. Love it. ये matte shade है. Then we have Aura. Oh my god. And I think I'll manage to fit एक और shade रह गया. It's called My Angels. This one. And there you have it right here. And voila. I am so obsessed with these shades. Look at this. I mean, look at this. These are the shades. They're so beautiful. I think these ones over here are calling out my name. Like, and I think today, since I'm playing with the Carli Bybel palette, मैं आप लोगों को 2 different looks करके दिखाऊंगी so we can get a better idea how to play with this palette. So I'm really excited to dive in. So let's get started. मैंने अपनी lids को prime कर लिया हुआ है, and we're gonna be diving right into eyeshadows. अच्छा, मैं इस ट्यूटोरियल के लिए I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills का जो अपना brush जो इसमें आता है. I'm going to be using this one. I'm going to go ahead and I am going to grab a shade called Bear. A little amount of product. I'm just going to place this here. And this is just obviously going to be used as something to begin with. मैं इसको भी कोई उस तरह से importance नहीं दे रही इस shade को, but you get the idea, right? On the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick up the shade called Cindy, this really nice peach toned color. You just need like a little amount. You can dust off the excess और इसको मैंने sweep करना है. Wow. मतलब literally थोड़ा सा आपको pigment चाहिए and this becomes super bomb. Next in, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to grab the shade called Stev, ये वाला. This is super pretty. I'm loving how it blends immediately. मतलब blending ability बहुत high है. Going back in with the peach and blending out just to give it a nice softer fuse. Ooh. I'm intensifying the Stev wala shade a little more and I feel like it looks bomb now. Look at this. It looks so bomb. Okay, so now ab bari aati hai iske shimmers ki. I'm going to use 3. I'm going to use Boli, Moo and My Angels. Ek iske jo hai flat sides, I'm going to use Boli. So let's see कि कैसे play out करता है. Oh wow, onto the lids. I mean Anastasia Beverly Hills के shimmers. I mean Carli वाले भी I'm like love love love. इस brush की reverse side पे picking up the shade Moo. And I feel like I should use a different brush. I don't particularly like this brush. Oh yeah, there you go. ये Morphe का brush मैंने use किया है personally. I know palette के अंदर जो अपने brushes आते हैं उतने मजे के नहीं होते हैं, so look at this. This is so pretty. इसी brush की flip side के ऊपर I actually picked up the shade called Boli और उससे मैं इसको थोड़ा sweep कर रही हूँ ऊपर. So you get this really nice arc as if आपने वो cut crease किया हो, but नहीं किया. Let's just use the fingertip because this is so pigmented. And I'm picking up the shade My Angel. I'm placing it on the very, very edge. Oh my lord. That is insane. I'm going back into the brush by Jessup. And pick up the shade Stev again, and we're just going to diffuse the outer edge. And I might even use a bit of brown. Might. I'm not saying yes I will, but I might. Kind of like happy with the way this is turning out. Going back in with the Anastasia brush, and I'm going to pick up the shade called Cindy, the peach one again, and I'm going to just blend this onto the shimmer and merging it with जो आपका Stev वाला shade है. It's kind of like placing it so it looks a little seamless. And there you have it. ये lid होगी complete. अब हम करते हैं दूसरी lid. Okay, so I'm going in with the shade again, Bear, and on a fluffy brush. This one a different. This is from Sigma. And I'm going to place this here, just for my lid to get working. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to grab the shade called Bybel, ये वाला. And this is such a nice cool tone, kind of like a mauve, but this is like a brown, a brownish mauve, if that makes sense. Pan mein it looks like a brownish mauve, but it blends very nice. इसके अंदर pink undertones भी हैं इसके अंदर, but it's a cool tone. Now on a Morphe brush, I'm picking up the shade called Boy. Ooh, that is immediately adding depth. Look at this. So good. Now to top my lid, I'm going to use 3 colors like I used here, ताकि maximum shades आज use कर लूँ मैं. I'm going in with a shade called Libra, Jode, and OA. Okay, so इसके लिए I'm going to be using a flat brush like this one. This is relatively clean. So we're going to take up the shade called Libra. And we're just going to go ahead, we're going to place this over here. So I'm taking a shade called Jode. This is so pigmented, I swear. I've covered my entire lid with Jode, only leaving this portion, and I've only used Libra here. But बाकी की lid जो है मैंने उसको Jode से cover कर लिया है. Now I'm going to go in with the glitter, जो कि this is what it is, glittery shimmer, and I'm going to place it in the center. I don't know if you can pick it up. This is so pretty. This is so pretty, I swear. इसके अंदर glitters हैं, and it is a shimmery plus glitter. और जो glitters हैं इसके अंदर, it has green shine, a bit of pink, a bit of gold, like a mixed kind of like a glitter shine. And it is super, super pretty. I'm loving it. Going back in with my Morphe brush with the shade Boy. And I'm just going to deepen the edges just to give it a little more depth. And look at this. Like two different looks. And I'm going to highlight underneath my brow bone with the shade Boli. Do you see that? It's super, super pretty. That's super pretty. I think I'm going to use the same shade here. The lashes off camera करके आती हूँ, and then I will be back और फिर मैं आपके साथ final thoughts share करती हूँ of this. Okay, so I'm back now और मैंने अपनी lashes कर ली हैं. I went ahead, applied some lipstick and highlighter and whatnot. Finding the lipstick to go with both these eye looks was a little bit of a task, but I think I did pretty good. Look at this. I mean, on their own, each look looks absolutely fine, at least to me. I think they look really, really good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments which side was your favorite though. Final thoughts about this palette. I think this is very easy to work with. Anastasia Beverly Hills के वैसे ही pigments बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. The shimmers, and I love the fact कि इसके अंदर ये कुछ ऐसे shades भी हैं, especially these two. ये वाले, ये दो जो shades हैं जो मैंने, this one I didn't use, but these two. I think these are such brilliant shades. The thing is कि इसके अंदर glitter भी है, and it also has this shimmer. So if you're somebody जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा glitter का craze नहीं है, but you want like थोड़ा हो, you want glitter to be there, but you don't want too much, like too chunky, if that makes sense to you, then this is probably really, really good. These shades are probably really, really good for you. Okay, जो mattes की formulation is just like your every other Anastasia Beverly Hills के जो mattes होते हैं. They're super pigmented, very high blending ability, जो कि मुझे इस चीज़ की बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. इसमें से अभी मैंने जो looks किए हैं, obviously these are the simpler looks, but obviously when I will be doing my live makeup tutorials, उसमें I will be putting it to the test, और मैं ज़्यादा creative looks तब करूँगी. I wanted कि मैं आप लोगों को अपना अगर review दूँ तो वो एक ऐसी looks के साथ हो जो कि आप खुद भी carry कर सकें. Like if you're going out and if you don't want to spend a lot of time doing your makeup, this is going to help you blend. This is going to help you carry it out so easily. अब खुद ही तुम लोग देख लो, I did this look without a typical cut crease, but if you just use a flat brush or apne shimmer लगा लो, it is super pigmented and it glides on like a dream. So do I recommend this palette? Yes, absolutely yes. I feel like this is a very versatile palette. इसमें just like shades that you can create softer looks, you create deeper looks as well. एक look मैंने भी की है, but I feel like I really want to try out a smoked out kind of look. Notice की इस palette के बारे में कि this has a very nice array of very nice soft neutrals, and then again it has really nice cool metallics. तो आप बड़ी versatile किस्म की इससे looks create कर सकते हैं. अभी तो मैंने सिर्फ दो looks की हैं, but you can actually play a lot with this. I would love to try these two shades on their own, मतलब सिर्फ इसको pack on करके and then use this shimmer on top, and I feel like this would create such a beautiful look on its own as well. And I really want to play with these two shades on their own as well. These just softer shades and they're such perfect for your transition shades. I feel like this is a palette that is going to give you really nice, more wearable looks if you're somebody who likes to go out during the daytime, or if you're somebody who likes, I mean at night even, yes, but you get my point, right? If you're like somebody jisne day looks ke liye and you're confused कि आपने किस किस्म की looks create करनी है, this is definitely something that I would see myself going to back and forth में बार-बार इस palette पे ही हाथ मेरा जा रहा होगा if I want to attend day events and stuff. So yeah, it's a really good palette. The only thing that I felt was missing was कि एक dark brown shade इसमें होना चाहिए. Although there is this shade here, but I feel like if there was, this is a cool tone brown, you can't really mix it up with the warm tones here. That is probably the only downside I feel of this palette, but other than that, I think कि जो color placement है, it's really good. I just missed the dark brown, the warm toned dark brown a little more when I was doing this side. Now with that being said, we're at the end of this video. अगर आपको ये video पसंद आया है, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell ताकि आप लोगों को पता चल सके कि मैं कब मेरा next video आ रहा है. Also, अगर आपकी कोई requests हैं for my next video, don't forget to mention them in the description below. ये palette मैंने कहाँ से ली थी वो मैं आप लोगों को mention कर दूँगी in the description. Please पढ़ना ना भूलिएगा. I mentioned lots of details in the descriptions. मेरे Instagram the links, whatnot is all mentioned in the description below. So much love, you guys take care, and inshallah I will see you guys in my next video. Allah Hafiz.